What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2020 Land Rover Defender using the Bluetooth. I'm going to be pairing an iPhone in this video. Other phones will be similar. So the first thing I want to do is go into my phone's settings, open your Bluetooth menu, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. And we can leave that Bluetooth menu open. Now I'm going to go over to my center screen. And from the left-hand side, I'm going to click the phone icon right here. From this screen, I'm going to click Add Device. And then as it says right here, what we're going to be looking for is the PIVI 02411. So if we grab our phone under the available devices, we see that. Go ahead and click on that. Then we want to make sure that this PIN number here matches the PIN number on our center screen. So on our phone, we'll click Pair, and then on our screen, we'll click Yes. And as you can see, it's pairing and taking a look at our center screen, or our phone rather. It's asking if we want to give it access to our contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now. But as you can see, we're now connected, and it'll also give you the option to use CarPlay. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.